I have used these guys for a plumbing leak, and I'm currently using them for HVAC repairs. These guys are honest, informative, transparent, and reasonable. They will work to find the best solution for you and your budget, and their prices are good. It's worth it to just ask these guys to check out your situation. Their evaluations alone are super detailed and thorough. Johnny and Corey helped us with the plumbing, and Noah is currently helping us with the HVAC. We will be working closely with these guys for future projects. They helped us make a timeline within our budget and didn't push financing too hard, which I appreciate, but it's always an option if your situation is dire. They're super friendly and flexible. The phone operators and dispatchers too. Thank you, Jazz.
Thank you, Jazz.
Good job.